Hello. How are you? My name is Anne. I'm from Kenya. Leo nataka nikueleze vile mimi huwa nafanya kazi nikiwa nyumbani. I work online with a company based in New Zealand called Yunla. Yunla is a digital marketing company ambayo inafanya kazi na marketers from all over the world. The special thing about Yunla is that it accommodates everyone. Sio lazima uwe na experience ya kufanya online marketing. Wako na tools za training, wako na setup ambayo wanakufanyia, and they give you a link ambayo once you send traffic to them, because it's a CPA company. CPA inamaanisha cost per action. Cost per action means unaweza lipwa per lead. Ukileta lead kwa hiyo kampuni unalipwa. Utalipwa ukileta when someone clicks through the link ambayo utakuwa umepewa, which is a special link, na pia unalipwa wakati umefanya sale. The special thing with this program also ni kwamba sio lazima ukue umemake sale ndio ulipwe. Unaleta lead, or in this case you bring a prospect. Once you bring a prospect, they tell you thank you and they give you $2 or $4 depending na yule customer ni wa nchi gani. Kama ametoka USA, UK, Australia, Canada, utalipwa $4. Kama ametoka hizi nchi zingine kama hapa kwetu Kenya, Tanzania, Ghana, Jamaica, all other countries, unalipwa $2. Hiyo ni kuwaletea tu customers. So they tell you thank you by giving you that amount. Unapoweza ku make a sale from these people that you brought to them, they give you an extra $30. Nimekuwa na hii kampuni since last year September, and I have made money. I'm paid through PayPal. Na kwa sasa hivi I can be able to withdraw from PayPal to my Mpesa. Leo asubuhi niliweza kupokea pesa zangu ambazo nimelipwa za mwezi jana through Mpesa. And if I can do it, you can also do it. So I'm going to take you through what I do and how my website looks. Now, as you can see here, this company is called Yunla. It's an affiliate network company that pays per lead and per sale. Hii ni account yangu na Yunla. Ukiangalia hii ni jina yangu, naitwa Anne Maina. Ukiangalia hapa nimeweza kupokea $4 from someone from USA just signing up, and I get paid. This is Zanzibar, this is Kenya, Jamaica, Kenya, Philippines. I get paid $2 and $4 there for that country. Hawa customer wote ni wale tu wamepata link yangu online, because I market online, na wanapoweka their name and their email address and they confirm, I get paid this. Alafu unaona hii $30, hii $30 it's a sale. It means in one of the leads that I brought in aliweza kununua software. Yunla works with Yahoo and GetResponse. Yahoo, it's huwa wana set up websites for anyone in the world. If you need a website, you can buy through Yunla. Through Yahoo. GetResponse, they provide an autoresponder tool, which is for doing email listing. So anyone that I've brought in and they want to set up a website, in case they purchase that website through me, because mimi ndio niliwaelekeza, nitalipwa $30. Hii kazi yote naifanyia kutoka kwa simu, anywhere anytime. Personally, I work 2 hours a day. I work two hours a day, and you can imagine if you have more time, if you can be able to work 4 hours or more, it means you can make much more. You can see every single day I'm earning. Every single day I'm earning. And I will leave a link hapa chini. I will leave a link ambayo utaweza kusign up nayo. You can sign up. Signing up is free. Once you click on that link and then you click register, it's going to open this site for you. Hapa, just put in your name and your email address and then click create your account. Ukisha create your account, you will receive an email. Ukipata your email, just open your email, check your inbox or your spam folder and look for an email from Joomla. Pale, just confirm your registration by clicking activate your Joomla account. And then ukisha click, itakuleta hapa members area. Members area kwanza itakufungulia a page where you'll create your password, and then it will bring you here. Ukisha kuja hapa, you just go directly to, you can click this. You can click this, you see. It will open for you a free priority setup. It will open this for you, and you'll be able to create your own website. So just come here quickly to step 1, and then you come to step 2, and in step 3 you submit your details. Once that is done, within 24 hours you'll be able to get your special link. You'll be able to get your special link ambayo ni kama hii. Ukishapata ile link, you start advertising through Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Vile tu unaweza ku-advertise and get leads going into the company site through your link, and you start earning like this. It's very easy to earn, and people out there are looking for legit ways to make money, and that is why I'm presenting you this program, because it's easy, anyone can do it, and it's available globally. You can advertise it to anyone in the world. So go ahead, click on the link below at the description box. Go ahead and sign up, set up your website, and start making money. It's as easy as that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the inside.